Welcome to Easy Global Trip. Kerala, a state on India's tropical Malabar coast, has nearly 600 kilometers of Arabian Sea shoreline. It's known for its palm-lined beaches and backwaters, a network of canals. Inland are the Western Ghats, mountains whose slopes support tea, coffee and spice plantations as well as wildlife. National parks like Eraviculam and Periyar, plus Wayanad and other sanctuaries, are home to elephants, langur monkeys and various birds. Now I will take you to the tour. Let's delve deeper into each day of the proposed Kerala itinerary from Delhi for 4 to 5 days. Day 1. Arrival in Kochi. Morning. Flight arrival. Arrive at Kochi International Airport from Delhi. Afternoon. Fort Kochi. Begin your exploration at Fort Kochi, known for its historical significance and charming colonial architecture. Highlights include the Dutch Palace, Mattancherry Palace, Jewish Synagogue, and the oldest European church in India, St. Francis Church. Evening. Cultural experience. Attend a Kathakali performance, a traditional dance form of Kerala known for its elaborate costumes and facial expressions. Alternatively, enjoy a sunset cruise on the backwaters of Kochi, where you can witness the iconic Chinese fishing nets in action. Accommodation. Stay overnight in Kochi. Day 2. Travel to Munnar. Morning. Departure. Start your journey towards Munnar after breakfast. The drive from Kochi to Munnar takes approximately 4 to 5 hours but offers scenic views of tea plantations, valleys, and waterfalls along the way. Afternoon. Tea Museum. Upon arrival in Munnar, visit the Tea Museum to learn about the history and production process of tea in Kerala. You can also visit a tea plantation to witness firsthand how tea is cultivated. Evening. Local exploration. Spend the evening exploring the local markets of Munnar, where you can shop for spices, tea, and handicrafts. Alternatively, take a leisurely stroll through the tea gardens surrounding the town. Accommodation. Stay overnight in Munnar. Day 3. Explore Munnar. Full day. Sightseeing. Spend the day exploring the natural beauty of Munnar. Visit popular attractions such as Mattupeti Dam, known for its picturesque reservoir and boating opportunities. Echo Point, where you can hear your voice reverberate across the hills. Top Station, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Western Ghats. Optional. Eraviculam National Park. If time permits, visit this national park famous for the endangered Nilgiri Teher, mountain goat, and its rich biodiversity. Accommodation. Stay overnight in Munnar. Day 4. Alleppey, Alappuzha, houseboat experience. Morning. Departure to Alleppey. Leave Munnar in the morning and drive to Alleppey, which takes about 4 hours by road. Afternoon. Houseboat cruise. Board a traditional Kerala houseboat for a relaxing cruise through the backwaters of Alleppey. These houseboats are equipped with modern amenities and offer scenic views of the tranquil waterways, lush greenery, and local life along the banks. Evening. Houseboat experience. Enjoy traditional Kerala cuisine served on board, prepared by the houseboat crew. Relax on the deck, watch the sunset, and soak in the peaceful ambience of the backwaters. Accommodation. Stay overnight on the houseboat in Alleppey. Day 5. Return to Kochi and departure. Morning. Disembark from houseboat. After breakfast on the houseboat, disembark and proceed to Kochi, which is approximately a 1.5-2-hour drive from Alleppey. Afternoon. Exploration in Kochi. Depending on your flight timing, you can explore more of Kochi or do some last-minute shopping at local markets for souvenirs. Evening. Departure. Transfer to Kochi International Airport for your flight back to Delhi, concluding your memorable trip to Kerala. Additional tips. Transport: consider hiring a private car with a driver for comfortable and convenient travel between destinations. Alternatively, you can book guided tours that include transportation and sightseeing. Accommodation: choose hotels or resorts that offer authentic Kerala experiences, such as plantation stays in Munnar or a houseboat experience in Aleppo. Weather: Kerala generally has a pleasant climate year-round, but it's advisable to check the weather forecast before your trip to pack accordingly. This itinerary is designed to give you a balanced experience of Kerala's culture, nature, and tranquility within a limited time frame. Feel free to adjust it based on your interests and preferences to make your Kerala trip truly personalized and unforgettable.